Hi there, my name is Dale, and welcome back to the table where we do tarot. Okay, today I am introducing um, a new deck called Sacred Rebels Oracle, and this is by Alana Fairchild, and the artwork is done by Autumn Sky. Okay, so sometimes I put things on the back burner for myself of things that I really want, and then so this has been in my Amazon shopping cart for quite a while, and I finally was ready to go for it because I'm just getting more um interested in incorporating other decks that really speak to me. And I've always felt like a rebel with cause. Okay, not without a cause, not just like a loose cannon who has no idea what is going on in this world. Um, though I've never like clearly seen the direction in which I am supposed to go, I always felt it inside. And I think that you know that to be true. And I feel like this is a deck that is going to help us with that. So what I'm going to do is just go one by one through the cards so we can see them. I'm shifty all over the place, but I'm not going to edit it out because I want it to be like as if we were just sitting here talking. Okay. And this is how it needs to be because this is the most efficient way to do things is to not have to go back through and edit them, but just to be real. Okay. So here we are being real. So I am going to just read through it, and then hopefully I will make more videos where I can go through in the actual book and read through each meaning for everything. Okay, but for right now I'm just excited to get into these cards. So this is my first time seeing them. One, for the storm. Right. Two, inner trust. Holy cow, this artwork is beautiful and these cards are ginormous. Three, inspiration. Four, against the grain. Oh, so cool. There's like birds, but it looks like she's swimming underwater. Okay. Follow your own rhythm. Five. Six. Shock of the new. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Seven. Legacy of light. Eight. Be the hunter, not the hunted. Mhm. Women need to remind remind themselves of that, please. Okay, nine. What do you feel? 10. Releasing allegiances. Oh man, that's a good one. That is a really good one. 11. Diving for light. 12. Every journey starts with a single step. 13. Power of attraction. 14. Going beyond normal. I'm pretty sure that's what all of us are trying to do here if you're coming to this channel. 15. Big, bold vision. When I put my hoops on like this girl, it's like I am often wearing hoops. That's kind of how I feel. If you haven't ever seen the JLo skit on SNL, hoops, maybe I'll link it on this, but it's so funny. 16. What you want wants you. Damn, that is true. So stop trying to do what others want for you. 17. What is already with you? 18. Spirals of manifestation. 19. Dream a beautiful dream. Shout out to these artists who do this. It's so incredible. It's like for 20 bucks or whatever it was for this, you get all this gorgeous artwork. I think we forget that there's actual people making these things. 20. Softly, softly, the tender touch. It's something we need to remember in this world because for the longest time it was all about like how do you do things cutthroat? How do you hurt somebody's feelings more than they've hurt you? Okay. Sometimes it's like about being soft with the rest of the world because in order to be soft with the rest of the world, you have to like get into a soft space inside and it's healing for you. What is this? Beyond the mind, the heart beats. 22, she feels, she knows. I always loved when I saw this card come up when I've seen other readers. This deck has got to have been out for some years now because I've been seeing these cards for this is 2024, but yeah, it just must be a new edition. 23, defend to the end, the worthwhile. That is beautiful. They all are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. 24, new birth, guarded vigilantly. I want to make sure it didn't say vigilante. Release the dark wound, let love live. 25. 26, relax the hold of darkness and be the cause. Be at cause? No. Relax the hold of darkness and be at cause. 27, receiving. 28, collaborative dreaming, sorry. 29, seeing the true you. It's a little bit like the story of Narcissus, right? But that's why there's an importance in it. It's not, we look at narcissism as such a negative thing. But if you think about the natural world, when would you ever get to see your own self? We walk around in a world where there's mirrors all around us and phones that take pictures and all this other stuff. But we look at the story of Narcissus as a bad thing. But wouldn't we all love that, to be able to look in the mirror and actually love ourselves instead of hate ourselves all the time, or like feel like we have all these problems because the rest of the world says you're supposed to have better skin or this, you know what I mean? It's like, oh my gosh. All right. 30, the perfection of your life. 31, trust yourself. I love this little wild Amazon woman. 32, faith in the process. That is so hard. And that's how you remember it. That's how you keep faith, is you have to pray your way into it. Okay. And usually you're praying because you're like taken down to your knees from the pain. 33, heaven sent. I love that they do that with the 33 card, because 33 was the age that Jesus died at. 34, in the world, not of the world. 35, conscious connections. I thought it was a reflection of herself, but no, it's like a friend. But it is somewhat of a reflection, because one of the women is in black and white, and then the other one has that orange umbrella. So it's interesting. I like that one. 36, listening for the truth with her seashell phone. It's the best kind of phone. 37, focus on light. Focus on the light. 38, restore and replenish. Oh my gosh, we all need to be doing that every day. 39, free from judgment, free to love. 40, sacred fool. 41, bring it into form. 42, the word wants to be written. Oh man, it's a good one. Do you see the monarch butterfly over her throat? That means like transformation. And then they're all coming from here. 43, come to life. She's painting color into herself. I think that's, I wonder how long it took her to develop all of this artwork and how it was done. 44, visions of life beyond death. 45, Pandora's gift. I- And that's it. 45 cards to this deck. And between the Goddess Tarot and this deck, I would like to do a reading right now. So I'm going to leave this video off here and then do a quick reading. Okay, bye.